Question number 10. A horizontal force F acts on a sphere. The horizontal resistive force Kv square acts on the sphere. Okay, so you have a force F acts on the sphere like this, and there is also a horizontal resistive force acts on the sphere, where V is the speed of the sphere and K is a constant. What is the terminal velocity of the sphere? So there is a resistive force. Okay, resistive force is acting like this. Let us say Kv square is acting like this over here. Kv square is acting like this. What is the terminal velocity? What do you mean by terminal velocity? Terminal velocity is a velocity that occurs when the sum of all the forces F is equal to 0. F is equal to 0. F net is equal to 0. What are the forces acting on the body? F here, and drag force or resistive forces in the opposite direction, minus Kv square is equal to 0. So therefore K should be equal to F by V square. What is he asking? What is the terminal velocity of the sphere? Okay, I want terminal velocity, so I will take this as your subject. I write F is equal to Kv square, V should be equal to square root of F by K. So answer should be answer D.